and scoop underneath him a little bit, about mid-body. And then you can pick it this way. Never pick the snake way up into the air. It will just make him more scared. Instead, you want to slowly go like this, and just carry him over and put him head first, in like that. And then you can always just take his tail and help him in. And so he'll just crawl in on his own to maybe like that. And now he's in there, okay? Any part that you can, kind of lift it up like that. And you lift and carefully, even here you might want to do this, but just be in the habit of never doing that. Just always lift like this. Lift him up so he's all the way down to the bottom. Now you can see him, which is really nice because we know that his neck is not, he's not trying to shoot up and out of the bag. And I'll twist it a couple times before I lay it down, because then I know that the snake is down there and he's not, doesn't have his neck sticking out. Because I'm going to lay this down, and that's why if I was using a pillowcase or something and I wasn't sure if his neck was in it, I would kind of touch it to make sure, because if I laid that down and put my foot on it, I could break his neck if his neck was stuck in there. And here's where I can reach down and I can like pull it where the snake is now stuck way over there. And I can twist this. My hands are always over here. I'm being careful to not slip and have my hand hit the snake. And I just pull it through, make a nice medium knot. It doesn't have to be super tight. So if it's twisted a lot, I might want to untwist it first so we don't give him a merry-go-round. When we pick it up, now I pick him up, put him gently into the bucket so that we never have to touch anything. Now that that's on there, now I'll go in, I will tighten that, because now I can transport the snake. It can't crawl at me. I undo this, carefully undo that and lay it out. Now I pick it up and I slowly shake the snake out, and he's now in that direction. And he's usually going to just move away from me because he's scared.
What's his name, Buzz?
Buzz.
Okay, Buzz, don't bite me, okay?
And then just squeeze a little more and pull your hand a little closer to you.
Yeah.
You can use them both. That's perfect.
Okay, put his head in.
And sometimes if you can fit both ends of him in there, that's fine too, but just don't put the tail and not the head is the point. If you can only fit one end of him in, put the head in. Because he'll go in. Just rattle and stuff. You can kind of shake his tail a little bit here.